Hi everyone, in this video I would like to talk about a game changer technology when it comes to Matomo configuration. This technology has been developed by Ronan Hello. This technology is not new in itself, that was already the strength of Matomo. So to say, the ability to be able to easily use any feature of Matomo, but by using the API directly within a platform. And this is exactly what the toolkit.openmost.io made by Ronan Hello is doing. So this is a great tool on which you can connect your different instances and site on it in order for you to move one feature from a site to another. So let's make a quick example. In this quick example, I'm going to take, for example, the website which is named My Website, hosted on the Matomo cloud. So I go over here and I just pick up My Website. Let's imagine that I would like to play with the annotation. So far there's no annotation at all. I would like, in fact, to import those annotation that I created somewhere, or that I would like to add directly from Google. So typically here, if I click over here, it's gonna add automatically all the annotations about the Google update. For example, if you would like to analyze SEO, but you could ask to the developer of this app, in fact, to add any kind of annotation that you would like, for example, public holidays or whatever. You just click on import, and in fact, if now I refresh my page, I will get, as you can see here, all the different annotation dealing with those dates. If I look at this given website here, as you can see, I don't have any annotations planned. So for this website named Hello, and what I can do is that I can select all the annotation from one given website, so to say over here My Website, to decide to export them, and then to decide to move to my other instance, and then to deploy, in fact, all of those. So this was called Hello. Okay, so currently there's no annotation at all. I can just click on import. I can just select the report that I just created. So recent access, and in my case that was downloads, maybe annotations. They are all over here, and I can just select them, and as you can see, I can import all of them, and as a result I'm getting all my annotations import. Annotation is not, let's say, the main feature that we expect to have with such a great platform, and of course it works for many other features, such as the custom alerts, for example, such as the custom dimension, such as the custom report. So this is for custom report, typically this is extraordinary, because you can in fact create custom report of custom reports and then decide to move them from one place to another one, which is just incredible. So imagine, for example, that you create all your templates of custom report for e-commerce website. Then it means that any new e-commerce website that you will deploy in Matomo, you could easily copy and paste those custom report and then deploy them somewhere else. So for example, here I'm on my on-prem instance. I'm in fact downloading this given custom report. As you can see, it's not appearing over here. I don't have it. And in fact, I can decide to import it over here. So that's going to be exactly the same mechanic. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select my My Website, which is over here. And then, so I got my 3 custom report, but I can in fact import the one that I just created. I can also take, so here in my case, that was custom reports. That was the one that I just added over here. You see custom report, and I can just decide to import it, and as a result, right now in my Matomo cloud, I'm getting my report, which is called exceptions over here. You see, with the configuration that I wanted. As you have seen as well, this is super powerful because you can also import some templates that the developer of this platform thought of. So typically hits, for example, imagine that you are in the cloud and you would like to measure your hits consumption, or you would like to know if you are subject to spam. For example, you would like to know the maximum actions per visit. You can just select all of those and then decide to import them, and bam, you get them imported within your cloud instance. You see near the report name hits with the 3 custom reports that we just show. Same thing dealing with the segments as well and other feature. Note though that the limits of the current API in Matomo, so typically for the dashboard, remains the same, but you can bypass this limitation by using custom reports of custom report. So just to give you a use case about how this toolkit is powerful. If you succeed in getting at least one website properly configured with exactly what you want, to say, imagine that you are dealing with e-commerce website and that you know by heart that the annotation for the sales, for the public holidays, for the season of the year, all of those that you know, for example, for an e-commerce, what are the most common alerts that people are interested in. Same thing for the custom reports, same thing for the goal, same thing for the segments. It means that in a couple of seconds, you can easily deploy for all your website everything that you want. Same thing if you mess stuff up and that you want, in fact, to delete everything, you can just in one given click just decide to delete everything and you get everything deleted, or you can even edit on the fly in a nice UI in order to do exactly what you want. So to say, that's typically the tool that you want to have if you are a big company, or if you are an agency and that you would like, in fact, to streamline all your Matomo configuration.